Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable search voice in Brave on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly, of course, you just have to open your Brave application over here. And if you wanna use the search voice in this Brave, you just have to tap on this microphone icon at the bottom, yeah guys. I'm gonna tap on it. And yeah, as you can see, it will be look like this if you don't enable it first for the microphone on the settings Brave. So here, I'm gonna tap on the settings first. And after in the settings, you just have to scroll it down until we found that the Brave applications. Here I'm gonna open it. After here, just go ahead to this microphone option and tap on the toggle beside it until it's turned green like this. And if it is turned green or activate, you can use for the search voice here at this Brave application. So guys, I'm gonna tap on it, and if we use this search voice, we don't need to type anything in the search bar while we're using the voice to search anything. So yeah guys, I think it's enough for me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.